Hi guys, today for you I have the April Doki box. This always comes later than the Yumi twins, but that's alright I guess. I mean it came earlier than the last one, so which is great. So this is the April 2018 box. I think the box is a little different from the other one. I'm not 100% sure. I think this design is different. And I believe this theme is Blast in the Past, so it's like a time capsule type box. So, you got this. We got these other little designs here. The other one had like kawaii little figures. Alright, so let's see what we got in our pamphlet. We have this cool character girl on here. She is got her little backpack with one of the little characters I think we're going to be getting. And it says Doki Doki, April 2018. Alright, so here's this page. We'll look at this first so we can look at this, the whole. It says Time Capsule. Welcome to the first box of the new and improved Doki Doki crate. We listened to your request and carefully created a crate that features practical, useful goods with kawaii spin, giving you a taste of Japanese everyday life, shipped to your comfort of your home. We look to the future to keep improving ourselves and finding ways to make your heart race. Or Doki Doki. Wouldn't be Doki Doki with all of you, our friends and family from the past, present, and those that come in the future. In honor of this April's theme, Time Capsule, celebration of all kawaii classics, familiar faces, and our childhood nostalgic favorites. So here's a photo of the last box, or if you see your photo here, please give that a like or something. Alright, so we'll go to this page here. So you'll be getting, this is the lucky subscriber, will win. Looks like you'll be getting an umbrella, a tuxedo Sam, Cardcaptor Sakura, Pikachu in a kimono type outfit, Pachiko, I don't know, and then the stars, little star twins. I'm going to show you the back too. So here's a little comic if you want to sit here and read, or I'll just read it to you. This first panel says, behold, friends, I found a time capsule. You dug that up? Are you sure that's not trash? And then we'll go to this panel. It says, come on, this is a window into the past. And they're all in shock. Ooh! And then this one says, why, the past was so cruel. So it was just trash. It says, greetings from the past. Enjoy sorry, I got hungry. Alright, so the things we'll be getting is this little cup here. I'll read you the thing and then I'll show you. Actually, no, I'll just do it. So the first item is this lovely cup. It says 80s Sanrio Retro Cup. Let me start that over. 80s Sanrio Retro Cup. It says, these special edition 80s design cups feature Pom Pom, Purin, Tuxedo Sam, Pachiko, or Kimpari. The fun color shapes really capture the essence of the 80s authentic. Note, it says cups are dishwasher safe but not microwavable safe. So this is the one I got. I got Puchiko, I don't know how to say his name. It says the Yormichi dog. So here he is. He's got all those little Walkman. If you're not familiar with Walkmans, they are cassette tape things that you could listen to. They were about the size of this cup and round rectangle. And you can listen to the radio and put your cassette tapes in it. So that's this little guy. I'm not familiar with, I guess this is his friend here with this character. I mean, I don't think I ever grew up with these, but I'm not 100% sure. So that, oh, and I forgot to show you the inside, so that's the inside. The next item, I believe this is like a really hard plastic, and it is a brand, because we got the thing there. The next item is this right here. This little guy right here. This is a Bad Zuru Murray coin purse. Says the kid is always looking for trouble. His hobbies are making fun of things he finds silly and collecting pictures of movie stars who play bad guys. This bad boy and his seal friend Hanamaru are sure to protect your money and keep you safe. I believe this guy is in the world of Hello Kitty, but I'm not 100% sure. So here this is. It's got that kind of a foamy texture that you get on your drink holder cups, your hot holder cups. And here is the tag. Yep. So this is like that stuff that they put on your hot cold drinks. So yeah, that's that. And the inside is yellow. We'll put that back in the bag. Alright, so the next thing is this right here. It says Sanrio Outdoor Mat. So step away from the electronics and take out time to go out. In Japan, many people bring mats such as these to parks, beaches, benches, or outdoor events to have a place to sit without sitting directly on the ground. The compact size is perfect for taking you in the bag, also large enough to sit comfortably. Receive one of 3 designs featuring Hello Kitty, My Melody, and Little Star Twins. So I got My Melody. I will open this up for you. Hopefully I can get it back in the packaging later. Let's see. So it is a plasticky, foamy texture. Oh, I guess this is pretty big size. So I can't really. So we got over here. We got My Melody's friends, I believe. The sheep character, this character, I don't know these characters. And then we got My Melody up here. Oh, sorry, I can't see it. This is really big. That looks like a wood structure. And then we have My Melody, or My Mellow, on a swing here. Sorry, this is so big. And then the back is a foam texture. Let's see. The next item in our box is a Pokeball pouch. It says, remember capturing your first Pokemon? We do too. So we thought, what about a better item put in our time capsule than this? A Dabble Pokeball pouch is perfect for carrying accessories, makeup, or Game Boy games. So I got this Pokeball. I don't remember what Pokeball this is. I'm only familiar with the classic Pokeball. And then that's the inside. They got a foam in there. And their little, it says Pocket Monsters. And then it says something about Pokemon 20, the movie I Can Choose You. This is 2017. Here is the back. The next item is, actually I'm going to do this one last because I believe it's at the bottom. So we're going to skip over to this guy and then we'll go back to this one. It says Tuxedo Sam plushie keychain. Tuxedo Sam is a retro Sanrio character, debuting in 1979. See, I wasn't born in 1979. I was born in 1988. So that's probably why I am not familiar with this character. He is a clumsy penguin who loves to eat. He has 365 bow ties, so he knows the thing or two about fashion. He's sure to keep your looking good as accessory to any purse or bag. So this is the Tuxedo Sam. He's got like the little keychain ball. The last one we had was that little squishy one. I put it on my purse and it fell off, so it's hanging somewhere else now. So here is that tag. He's blue with a white bottom, yellow feet, and he's got a little sailor hat on. Alright, so we're going back to that other item that I said that we were going to go back to. And then they pop this in here. This is a Sanrio coloring book. It says you're never too old to color in a coloring book. This book features many of the classic Sanrio characters and fun images and designs. Also perfect if you are learning Japanese, as all the kanjis broken down into hiragana or kanjino or easy reading. So I'm not really familiar. So we got Tuxedo Sam, Hello Kitty. I'm not too sure what this guy is. My Melody, the Star Twin people. There's a deer character, a bunny character, and then there's Pokiko, and then these three guys, and this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, and that guy. I don't know who they are. So the first page is Hello Kitty. Then we have Cinnamon Roll. So that's the little bunny character. I believe this is a bunny. If not, please correct me. Then we have, I'm not too sure because it's not in English up here what his name is, but the little frog guy. And then Pachiko. If I'm saying that wrong too, please correct me. And then we got Humming Mint, this guy, and then Little Star Twins, or Twin Stars. Then we got My Melody, or My Mellow, and her friends, and then the next page. And then we have the monkey character, which I don't know, and the little boy with the dog. And then we have Gordon, those guys, and then Arnacho Pico, I don't know. And then we have the little dog. I don't know his name either, but that's fine. And then we have Tuxedo Sam and Banberry Bon? Yeah, Banberry Bon. And then Kurimi. So it looks like food related. And then we have Hangori Don. So right there. And then the last page is Hello Kitty again. So that's all the things in our April 2018 Doki Doki box. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye.